Hey, what's going on, guys? So today, what I wanted to do is I wanted to just show you the simplest way to self-host N8N with Docker and Ngrok. So I do have a step-by-step guide that you'll find in the comments below, basically walking you through every step of the way so you don't miss a beat. So why do you want to use N8N locally? Is because maybe you just want to be able to do it anywhere. If you're a traveler, if you're on the plane and you want to build automations and workflows, you'll be able to do so. And you want to put it on Docker because it's a containerization platform where if you have a lot of different apps and different basically MCPs you want to use, you can use it all in Docker. And then you want to use Ngrok for if you need to connect to the internet for any reason, for like Telegram or Google products, you can go ahead and do that. So this is the simplest way to do this. So you'll see this step-by-step guide. So the first thing you want to do is go to docker.com. So I already have it up. So you go to docker.com, you can sign in or you can just download Docker. So you can download Docker for desktop. I have a Mac, so I downloaded, I already have it here, as you can see. So I have it for the silicone, Apple silicone. And then once you finish downloading it, you can sign up for an account. So I'll go here. And then at the top here, you'll see where it says to basically to sign in or sign up, right? So I have the self-hosted one as you see, but we're going to do one that's even simpler. All right. And then once you log into Docker, you want to go to ngrok.com. So you can just press it and go to ngrok.com. You sign in or you sign up. Very simple. And then once you sign in, you're going to see this home screen page right here where it says connect. And so you can do Homebrew. So if you don't have Homebrew, right? Let's go ahead and make that. You want to brew install it. So if you don't have Homebrew, then you can download the file or you can go to brew.sh to add Homebrew. I would recommend Homebrew. It's a package management basically system or software that you can download or install on your Mac. So I have it. So we can go here. You'll see here, so let's clear this out. Brew, and you'll see here, it's gonna go. It's updating right now. It's running, it's gonna run. So as that's running, oh, it's finished. So you'll see yours is gonna run a little longer. Okay, so you run the command and then you're gonna go back to Docker. So we're here back at Docker. Oh, let me just go back to Docker here. And then you're gonna go to the search bar. So on the search bar, you're gonna go to N8N. You're gonna search for N8N. And then you'll see that for N8N, right here, you can just pull it. All right, so the pull is in progress. It's gonna be the one that has 100 million plus downloads. All right, you see in the search bar, you type N8N, you pull N8N, note, it's the one with over 100 million pulls. And then we're gonna go to image and you'll find N8N. You'll find N8N. Okay. Images and you find N8N. Okay. Let's make sure it's finished pulling. Yep, latest. Perfect. Now here in N8N, see what it says. Then you go to the optional settings. So you click on the arrow. Yep, it says whether it was just basically play or optional. And then this is where you're gonna set up the Ngrok. So let's scoot this over here. Perfect. So for the container name, add basically N8N standalone. You can have any name that you want, but let's just, for this example purposes, you want to put N8N standalone or whatever other name you choose. Now note, you cannot add a space. Spaces aren't allowed. So if you want to have a space, you can do like a hyphen or underscore or something like that. Now for the port, you can choose any number. Add 80, so it's just easy, right? And then, but yeah, you can put 80 first easy, or let's just do like 444333. All right, so for volume, so create a folder on your desktop so you can use it as the host path. So we're gonna create a folder. So you're gonna rename it as N8N host path. Alrighty, so we're gonna find it. Go to desktop and we see N8N host path. Perfect. And then for the container path, we're gonna add /home node /.n8n. Okay. Now for the environment variables, we're gonna have 4 in the environment variables section. So we can just click add. So we have 4 variables. We can just copy this one, N8N community packages allow tool usage, which is going to be true. N8N editor base URL, which is going to be your Ngrok URL. We'll go there in a minute. Webhook URL. And then N8N default binary data mode. And then we're going to put file system. So now let's go back to Ngrok. And then in Ngrok, you're going to go to static domain. And then you're going to see this URL right here. It's going to be after you see the Ngrok HTTP -- URL equals. So this piece right here, we're going to add it to these 2 locations. The N8N editor base URL and the webhook URL. Then we're going to run it. Let's make sure here. Yep, run. You should be a full execution run. So run now. Yep. So once you see this whole thing happen, that means it went well. You did it exactly how you're supposed to do it. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to basically click here to copy your entire static domain. And then you go to your terminal, add it. And then you want to add the port number that you put. So we put 3333. So we just use that 3333. Or you could have 80 if you didn't add the 80 as a terminal number, then remove the 80 and then add whatever number you chose. And then we press return and you should see this screen right here. Now we want to take that Ngrok URL. You just take this URL, paste it in here, and there we go. It's that simple. That's the most simplest way you can go ahead and set up your N8N while being able to have Ngrok so you can use on the internet. So now you're self-hosted, fully local, and basically you don't need anything else to set it up. All right. Hope that helps. Have a good day.